G'day guys, it's Calvin from the Coaching Company in New Zealand. Today I'm going to talk about and show you our manual shift box and explain how it works in operation. We're in Aaron's Land Cruiser, 1UZ VVTi in the front. Well, I'd like a manual, and it used to have an A340 behind it, and it now has an A341 behind it. And our shift box does both transmissions fine. It'll do A340s, it'll do a wide range of transmissions. Now guys often ask, how does it come? Does it come pre-wired? Does it plug and play? This is how it comes, like this. It's a box with wires coming out of it. It's a universal type product that gets wired into your vehicle to suit. Okay. Now this one has the ability to both do shifter movement for manual control. Now, and by manual shift we mean it is manually shifts the transmission. It means there is not an automatic changing of the transmission, it is manual only. So where you put, whatever gear you put it in, is the gear that it is in. Okay. Now this one, and this truck is wired both ways at the moment. It came in just wired with the shifter, but the drive shaft comes up and smacks the shifter. So I've put in some, you can call them paddles or buttons or whatever, you can hook them up however you want to hook them up, and that's the way it's designed. We'll have a little bit of a look at the operation for it. Okay, so I've got up here, I've got some lights that I've wired. They don't come in the kit. One on is first, both on is second, number two, that one on is third, and then both off is overdrive, and this is the lockup. I'm going to shift it, and I'm going to turn the vehicle off. The engine is turned off. It is in neutral. Doesn't matter if it's parked. Okay, but we're going to start it now. Okay, so you can see one light does light up, and that won't affect operation in reverse. I can move it to reverse. If I pull it back, second, first. So as I move the shifter, it is changing the lights. Now here I've wired some buttons, some switches. This is the overdrive. So you can see I can switch that and it's going into overdrive. And this one puts it in lockup, which will be used for the likes of your forward drive and getting some engine braking. Right, the other option, the other way you can do it, back into there, I'm just going to reset it. And then I'm going to push these buttons. So this is down, this is up. One, so there, that is second. So it defaults to third gear. So that is now first. I can go up the gears. That is third or drive. That is overdrive, and there is lockup at the top. So you've effectively got 5 pushes of the button to get it all the way. Back in first. Now can we go forward driving?
Ooh, man.
Oh, I've got to go there. I've got to go.
I don't know if I put my right fucking pants.
That's the fan on.
Extra nappies.
I'm going to use the buttons, eh? Now, as soon as it gets these ones, you can see this. So now the buttons won't work. So as soon as it sees other than a D input, the buttons stop working. So you're either using the shifter or you're using buttons or paddles, or you can mount them on the steering or whatever. I'm just going to do a reset. So, into D, shifting it down, using the red button, the red start, so that's first gear. Did we have the front wheel skidding then?
I don't think so.
I wonder if we've got hubs in. I might have to check the hubs. Oh, we've got H4 here, like this. Yeah, that feels like we got the front in now.
There was no spin there, eh? She's just stuck.
Right, let's go. Can you push that my red button, please? No, you'll have to hold it and push it. Oh, wrong button. That's the down button. You gotta push the green one.
Oh yeah.
That was my mistake, wasn't it?
Alright.
It doesn't work when the operator gets it wrong. That's now second gear.
Yeah.
And can we hit? I'll do it. Woo! There's a gear change.
That feels smooth. That's slick.
So this one's actually got a line pressure cable on this box.
Yeah.
But what he's done is he pulled it out and put a little fitting on it. So he's just put it on max line pressure.
Okay.
Which is fine for four-wheel driving.
Yes.
It's because it's got a VVTi engine and it's got nowhere to put the line pressure cable, and he didn't feel like building up a bracket to mount it, and it works fine. There's a bit of water down here at the moment.
Yeah, that's a fair bit of water, right?
The brakes are a little marginal, so I've just got to be a bit careful out here.
You got that handbrake? Oh, yes, down there. Oh, no, it's not.
Handbrake? What's a handbrake?
Where the fuck's the handbrake? There's no
Don't
handbrake.
worry about handbrakes, man.
Oh, there's more water over there.
Yeah, there's more water over here. Neutral, back into drive,
Not a scratch.
and then we can click it down to first. But if I put it back to second, buttons stop working. Okay, so it has to be in drive. Click it down, click it up.
Clean as, mate.
We good? Woo!
Not even a scratch.
Probably shouldn't get it too dirty because he's coming to pick it up soon.
You know, don't get it too dirty. I like to clean
You'll have to clean it.
Let's clean it in here. Nice and easy, doesn't it? Holy.
So this is second. Tractor through here in second, just one.
Yeah.
This is today's test vehicle. It was once upon a time a Land Cruiser. It's been chopped down. I've got another video on it. This is sort of the vehicle that we designed the box around, but we've had guys use it in a wide range of different vehicles. Road going, drift cars, race cars, off-road trucks, four-wheel drive trucks, etc. So I hope that kind of explains how a shift box works, our manual shift box. As I said, it comes just as a box, ready to wire. Fits a wide range of transmissions, as long as they have that A341, A340 shift logic, then they work. No line pressure control. It's got lock up at the top if you want to use it. You don't have to wire that. Buttons or on the shifter, either can be wired. Hope that's been helpful. Talk to you again soon. Catch you later. It's probably not going to get around it easily.
No.
There's a bump in there.
Seatbelts. Where's her?
Yeah, so either whether you're using the shifter
Yeah.
or you use the button. See? This way. But if you hit second, as soon as the box sees a second gear input, it turns the buttons off.
Alright, yep.
Okay?
Yep.
We went up, oh no, it came down here yesterday.
Yeah.
And
It looks greasy.
it is, and there may have been some crop circles. It doesn't do crop circles very good though, eh? The tyres are too grippy.
Yeah.
And low box needs to be, that's your job.
Low box? Yeah.
It'd be nice to have a low box. Yeah, so there's like 40 acres in the middle of the farm here.
Alright.
There's actually green buttons for up, red buttons for down.
I'll try and get the pedal shift to build for it.
I reckon it'd be cool with the pedal shift.
Yeah.
It was really easy for me to put that in because I'd already put the power and the signal wires in there, so just a 4-pin plug, bang, and it went.
Yeah.
And these lights are just on a in and out, 3-pin plug.